Welcome to SkillStart.io. My name is Alhelia, and in this video we're going to walk you through how to download MetaMask and establish a wallet so that you can buy Polygon Matic tokens on either the Ethereum or the Polygon mainnet network. The first step in downloading MetaMask is going to our browser. So we'll go to our Google browser and we'll type in MetaMask.io. From here, we can click right on the Download Now button. Here you will see the Install MetaMask for Chrome button. Let's click on that. It'll bring us to the Chrome web store. From here, we can add to Chrome using this button, and then clicking on the Add Extension button. When it is done downloading, it will bring you to the MetaMask extension. From here, you can hit Get Started. On this screen, it will ask you if you are new to MetaMask. If you're not new to MetaMask and you already have a MetaMask account, you can import your wallet using this option here. If you are new to MetaMask or new to having a cryptocurrency wallet, you can create a wallet using this button here. It will prompt you to create a password. And hit Create. In this video, it will explain to you how to secure your MetaMask wallet. We're going to go ahead and skip this, but I do recommend that everyone watch this video. From here, you can click right here to reveal your secret words. We call this a secret passphrase or secret phrase. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this in a notepad file. So what I have is I'll click here. I'll copy this using Control-C. I will then find my notepad and I will Control-V to paste my secret passphrase. Then generally I want to know what this phrase does and where it accesses. So I will go ahead and put in my email address as well as what this particular passphrase does. And then I will save it. And then we're good to go. So do not exit out of this quite yet. I'll just save it on my other monitor. But for right now, just hit Next. And then it will ask you for your phrase. And then confirm. We're good here and all done there. Excellent. This is what's new with MetaMask, and then it brings you right into your wallet. So let's go ahead and just expand this. And we can see that right now we are on the Ethereum mainnet. And we have 0 Ethereum in our account. And this right here, account 1, this is our account name, essentially. This is our address. And our address is like your bank account. So what we want to do from here is we want to switch over to the Polygon mainnet. The reason we want to do this is because the Ethereum mainnet has extremely high gas fees, which will add significant fees to whatever you're trying to do on the Ethereum network. Polygon is a layer 2 solution that solves this problem by doing the exact same things that Ethereum does essentially, but it does it at a much lower rate of transaction fee. And when we talk about a much lower rate, we're talking about hundreds of dollars potentially on this network to cents maybe on the other network. In the next video, we will go over how to switch your MetaMask wallet from the Ethereum mainnet to the Polygon mainnet. We'll see you in that video.